If you want to see how I created this cute and fun holiday look, then stay tuned. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you a fun and simple holiday style, so stay tuned. So the style that I'm doing today is a bun faux hawk, and I am going to be using my Uncle Funky's Daughter's products, which you can purchase at your local Target or at the Uncle Funky's Daughter website, and I do have a discount code that I will leave in the description box. So I'm starting off by parting my hair into 3 sections, and the parts do not have to be neat. As you can see, that back part was not neat at all, but it's okay. So I'm going in first with the Super Curl Miracle Moisture Cream, and this is to add some moisture to my hair because I am doing this style on an old twist out. So after applying my moisturizer, I'm going in with Curly Magic, the Curl Stimulator Gel, and I am using this to slick my ponytails up. And do you see this Curly Magic definition? Okay, so with these 3 sections, I am putting my hair in a ponytail, and then I am going to twist it up and put it into a bun. Now that the 2 back sections are done, I'm going to move on to the front. So I'm just going to be repeating those exact same steps for the front of my hair. I'm going in and parting off 2 sections on the side because I'm going to be doing something different with the side, so stay tuned for that. Okay, so now my 3 buns are done, and it's time to move on to the sides. So with each side, I am splitting it in 2 and adding a rubber band to the roots, and then I am twisting it the rest of the way down, and I'll be adding some accessories to it later. So now for the fun part, I'm going to be adding this Cuban twist hair to my buns. I'm taking 4 pieces of the hair, adding a rubber band or a scrunchie to it so that it is easy to attach it to the bun that I already have. So I'm taking that scrunchie, attaching it to my ponytail, and then I'm just going to wrap the hair around. And again, these buns do not have to be perfect, but I am going to go in with a few bobby pins just to fix the middle bun. So now my 3 buns are done, and now I'm going to accessorize the sides with some beads that I also picked up from my local beauty supply store. And when I tell you this little gadget saved my life, because putting on beads is a struggle. And now for the finishing touch, I am going to add a headband sort of look using a piece of the Cuban twist hair. So I'm attaching it to the middle bun and then bringing it forward. Now I did not do this on camera, but I did end up taking those beads off and twisting each side of the hair, which made it a little bit longer, which also made it easier to create the headband look. And here is my final look. Cute, quick, fun, simple holiday look. Let me know in the comments below if you try this. I'm gonna add a little bit of my Uncle Funky's Daughter gloss just to add a little shine. And yes, she is ready for the holiday. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope that you've enjoyed it, and hopefully I've gave you some hair inspiration for the holiday. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I will see you in my next video.